tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Hello and welcome everyone. Today is a nice beautiful day to fish in mackerel. We are in Denmark and it's a bobby azure, you can see here, and we try to catch some mackerel here. I take my son together, Italy, say hi. Yeah, there's a lot of people here and it started raining, but I hope it will be nice because it's just more close to the evening. We come in here and we are ready to catch a big fish. Riktigt stor. Top quality mackerel. Business. Я сейчас нихуя не понял. Ja, du har kastat. Kom till mig med stang.